Hello friends, I am Amisha Rajesh Kokate, student of second year B Farm from PR Patil Institute of Pharmacy Tadegaon. My topic is honey. So what is honey? Honey is a sweet, viscous food substance produced by bees and some related insects. Honey is the most perfect product of nature. It contains almost all the ingredients that make up the human organism. Now, synonym of honey is madhu and male. Biological source of honey, sugary secretion deposited in honeycomb by the bees, Apis mellifica, Apis dorsata, and other species of Apis, family Apidae. Geographical source of honey is Africa, Australia, New Zealand, California, and India. Chemical constituents of honey. The proportion of sugar may vary depending upon the source of nectar and enzymatic activity responsible for converting nectar into the honey. The other constituents of honey are maltose, gum, traces of succinic acid, acetic acid, dextrin, formic acid, coloring matters, enzymes, and traces of vitamins. Now, description of honey. The color of honey is pale yellow to yellowish brown. The odor of honey is characteristic, pleasant. Odor and taste depend very largely on the flowers used in its preparation. The taste of honey is sweet and faintly acid. Standards. The weight of honey is per ml 1.35 to 1.40 gram. Specific rotation is plus 3 degree to minus 10 degree. Total ash is 0.1 to 0.8%. It has to pass limit test for chloride and sulfate. It is soluble in water and insoluble in alcohol. Chemical test of honey. In first test, add honey plus Fehling solution A and B. Then observe red PPT and honey is present. In second test, add sugar solution plus Molish reagent plus concentrated sulfuric acid. Then observe purple color ring formed and honey is present. Then limit test of honey. The limit test of chloride, sulfate and ash are compared with the pharmacopoeial specifications. Now, the next is the journey from nectar to honey. In first steps, forager bees gather nectar from flowers and return to the hive. In second step, nectar is passed into the mouths of the worker bees who then store it in the hive's cell. In third step, bees in the hive fan their wings to dehydrate the nectar. In fourth step, it becomes honey when the hive interior is 95 degree Fahrenheit and the nectar's moisture level reaches 17%. Now in this slide we see the different prices of honey. In this slide we see the picture of honey. Now the last one is the uses of honey. Natural pure bee honey could be used for several curative purposes and it is highly recommended for those with various ailments such as asthma, boils, weight loss, burns, cold, severe coughs, gastric ulcer, hypertension, heart related disease, libido and menstrual problems, etc. Thank you to the Banarasi sir for his guidance. Thank you and have a nice day.